US, UK, and Germany indices, after a massive bull run for the last few weeks, have now showing the signs of reversal and signs of cracking here. We have seen a massive gap down here, specifically with Tech 100 and US 500, while we can see the Germany and FTSE 100 and US 30 is also not far behind. What to expect? Can we expect this crash to continue today? Can we expect a stronger price correction, as things are definitely overbought, or this is just a, a slight dip, and this is just the beginning of the week and a massive recovery today, and then later with the Fed is going to be seen. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading the S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow, the Germany 40 and FTSE 100? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's first the US indices, S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, followed with the Germany and FTSE was still. Now see, S&P gave a stronger gap down here, and the moving averages have finally crossed over for sell. And see, on the early charts, we have seen a good bull run so far, and after this crossover, the prices are trading with a stronger bullish momentum. Now this crossover can lead to slight reversal, because see, so far we have not seen the prices trading below 100 period average. It is trading below 100 period average, and it is also at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So now it is very important for us to observe how it behaves here at 6040, because once it trades below 6040, we can expect a dip towards 6020 levels probably. Now notice 6020 and 6000 is the level which is going to provide the first strongest support here for S&P, and then 5980, because below this it is going to deliver a massive correction, in fact towards 5920, though right now it appears to be staying oversold, and hence chances of recovery can be seen here. The MACD also trading with extreme divergence, which calls for a little reverse, and the RSI is also oversold. So things are getting oversold here on the early charts, which calls for a little recovery. But I can say that when things are overbought, it has stayed there on the overbought zone for a while, and now things are turning bearish, so it must stay here in the oversell zone as well. Coming to 2 hour chart, similar observation. Only thing here is the support it is getting from 6040, which is tremendous, and thus let it stay below 6040 in order to confirm more bear. Notice here it is outside Bollinger Bands. Notice here it is getting a very good support, and only point here is, see, so far it was taking support from the 20 period. It has bounced back every time taking the support from the 20 period, and then the second point here is the support higher lows here. So as long as now this zone towards 6030 6020 is not taken, we should be careful here with the sells. Yes, the stochastic oversold, MACD trading extremely bearish, RSI oversold. Things are definitely oversold here. And on the 3 hour chart, similar object, 20 period moving average is still the support here, and with that as support, it is trying to, sorry, 50 period moving average. Let's wait for it to give a decisive move below the 20 period. Then the chances will be high that we may see prices hitting 6000 levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading with extreme divergence and bearishness. RSI is also dropping here. The signs are still having uh, support for more bearishness ahead. Look at the 4 hour charts here. See, if you connect the dots here, similar observation, higher highs, higher lows. Very important for the prices to trade below 6020 6000 levels in order to confirm a near term breakout and a near term bearishness here. The MACD is also looking for a drop, and the RSI is already dropped. Coming to the see here on the daily charts, what has happened after this greater dip, it has formed a nice flag, and it has moved towards the record levels here. It has created a new record, and now it is showing signs of reversal. This could be the first bearish candle, and here the possibility of a movement towards 6000 is cannot be denied here. Yes, possibility exists that it can keep moving towards 6000, which is the 20. See, it is trading with too much of divergence, which increases the probability of a convergence, and then we can expect it to keep moving towards 5960. So let's wait and watch. Stochastic dropping from the overbought zone, MACD trying to converge, crossover for sell. The RSI has dropped. So looking at, I'll recommend you to sell if you see the higher price below 6040 expected to move towards 603230 as the first, 602024 as the second, and if this zone is taken, I think we are looking forward to 6000 levels very soon. On the upside, a buying entry I will recommend is at 604850 levels, and then it is very important for it to stay beyond 606264, the first resistance zone, and then 608085 second. Any move beyond 608085 is the only sign of reversal here in the S&P. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100, and before we move to Nasdaq 100, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel or television. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. On the hourly charts, the crossover here in the moving averages is very, very significant, very, very important. This crossover with such a strong divergence is happening after a long, long time, and it has stayed bullish. Now, see, it is trading below 20, 50, 100 period moving average. Now, what has happened here? After a big gap down, it has traded bearish, and now after consolidation, also it is coming out of this zone and looking downward. Note that 21,340, 360 is a very good support zone, and then 21,300 levels will appear. Below 21,300, chances will be very, very high that we may see Nasdaq towards 21. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading extremely bearish, RSI oversold. So things are getting oversold here for Tech 100 for sure. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, it is trading with a slight dip here. It is trading with slight bearishness. Only thing here is it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, which increases the chances of a reversal. And now a move beyond 21,400, 440 is the sign of possible reversal, which can take the prices now towards 21,500. Else it is right now trading in red and trading bearish. Yes, the stochastic is oversold here. MACD trading extremely bearish. RSI is also oversold. But yes, if it can stay overbought for a while for multiple trading sessions, it can stay oversold as well. Look at the 3 hour chart. Similar observation. The Bollinger Bands expanding here. The moving average is trying to converge, not yet crossed over. It may wait for the moving averages to cross over. Remember, it has breached this bullish channel here, and it is now trying to retrace, and now the bottom is far below towards 20,500. Stochastic oversold, the MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, the RSI is at bottom. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. Only thing here is outside Bollinger Bands, and the second thing here is it is forming a double bottom. I will wait for it to stay below 21,340 in order to confirm the more dip towards 21,300 and 21,200 levels very, very soon. Things are slightly oversold here for Nasdaq 100. Coming to the now, see on the daily charts, after delivering a gap down, it is delivering second candle here. Yes, this is the week beginning candle, and this is today's candle. Now, what it is aspiring to do is to move towards at least the median of the Bollinger Band, sitting at around 21,320, and then possibly towards the 50 period moving average, sitting at around 21,250, 260. Below this, it should be treated for a reversal. Notice it is delivering now a larger bearish channel here. This is the larger bearish channel. The lows of this channel are now towards 20,500, 400 zone. Stochastic looking down, the MACD trying to cross over for sell, the RSI is dropped. But look at this, right now the MACD has not crossed over, and right now though the signs are bearish, I can say that there could be swings which are very much possible. So looking at this, ideally we should wait for 21,444, 50 to be taken in order to confirm a reversal and a rise here. But I will recommend you to buy 21,400, expect 21,430, 460, 500. And if 21,500 is taken, chances are high that we may see a complete reversal and a where the prices can trade above 21,600 levels, chances of which appears to be very, very less. Only bullishness here in Nasdaq 100 is if you see it is staying above 21,600. I think the chances are very less for the complete reversal today. On the downside, I will recommend a selling under 21,340, where you can expect it to move towards 21,300, 2,300 as the first target zone, 21,250, 240 as the second, and if that is taken, then 21,200. Remember, any drop below 21,200 is a clear sign of more correction in the forthcoming sessions. With the Fed, we may see a greater crash as well. So take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to Dow Jones. US 30, after a stronger bull run, has now cracked a bit, but I will wait for it to stay below 44,100 and 44,000 zone. This is the only zone below which you can expect more business to prevail, and then 43,800, 43,600 to be there very, very soon. What is happening here? The moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over. Look at the move here, drop retracement, now looking downwards. If you see it is staying below 43,200, you can stay short with 43,120, 080 at the first target zone, and 44,120, 080 at the first target zone, and 44,000 as the next. Here the stochastic trying to bounce back, while the MACD has taken a sharp hit. It is right now looking downwards. It is right now staying bearish. RSI is already at bottom here, and it is slightly staying oversold. On the 2 hour charts, if you look at, we have seen a good drop here, and every time it has taken a hit here, we can see a bounce back, and now it is consolidating here in this zone. So wait for it to now trade below 44,100, which will be the confirmation of reversal. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading extremely divergent and bearish, RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. On the 3 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. It is waiting for the candle to turn red. Possibility is there that once it stays below 44,200 and 44,100 zone, we may look forward to a greater price correction. See, US30 is the one which is so far being a bit hesitant here with the down move. Yes, it is coming out of this channel here, and this could mean a significant down move here possible, where the prices can move towards 43,500 or 43,000 levels very, very soon. Stochastic oversold, MACD crossing over for the top. See, I have been mentioning this, that it is staying oversold. Sooner or later, it has to come down, and it is right now looking downwards. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to the 4 on the 4-hour chart. Similar observation here. Just let it stay below 44,200, 44,100 zone. This will be the confirmation of a move towards 44,000, and that will be the confirmation of a stronger recovery reversal. See, it was trading with divergence from the 20 period. What it has done, it has just come towards 20 period moving average. So now in sum, it has to stay below 20 period and consistently trade bearish from here. Then only you can say that this is a reversal, and specifically once it trades below 44,000 and 44,300, we can look forward to a greater correction here. Yes, the MACD also have come towards and looking downwards, trading bearish. The RSI is also come out of the overbought zone. The stochastic has already hit the bottom. Coming to the now, look at daily charts. One bearish candle, a gap down, and it can still recover. It can still bounce back, but right now it is trying to trade bearish. The possibility of a move towards 43,000 increases here, and below that we can expect a greater price correction. The moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence and bullishness. And now notice this: what is happening? Drop, retracement, drop, then retracement. So bigger the rise could mean to a bigger drop as well, and thus at this point it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. The lows of the channel are now below 42,000 in lower levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely divergent and bullish, trying to converge crossover, RSI drop. So first thing is where you should buy. I will only recommend you to buy US 30 if you see it is staying above 44,300, and even if you see it is staying above 44,300, be careful of 44,360, 410, 420 and 44,500. Beyond 44,500, it is clearly a reversal, clearly a rally ahead again towards, and possibly this time it can in fact move towards 45,000 levels, chances of which appears to be very less. I am still looking forward to a downside here, because see, we have seen a good bull run and it is time for it to erase the gains. And now on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 44,200. Expect 44 120 080 as the first target levels, and below this 44,000 44,020 as the second. If these two levels are taken, I think we can stay short for the near future, where 43,800 should be achieved very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Germany. DAX on the hourly charts, after hitting the gap or after delivering a gap, it is trying to retrace. It is very important for the DAX to trade above 21,350, 21,400 zone, and only if it trades above 21,350 and 400, you can trade this for a reversal. What is happening right now? It is taking the support from the 100 period moving average and trying to bounce back. And now this is the zone from where we have seen the preceding ride, and this is the zone which is going to provide the maximum support here on the downside as well. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for a buy. The RSI is trading comfortable here. On the 2, I can still see that it is trying to take the support and trying to recover. It is trying to fill the gap as well, and now 21,350, 400 is the zone which is going to provide it a maximum resistance on the upside. The moving averages, which are trading with extreme divergence, are showing now signs of convergence, which means signs of slight bearishness. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading extremely divergent, extremely bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has come out of the overbought zone as well. And on the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. See a good resistance from the 20 period. It can possibly crack again. If you see it is staying now below 21,280, you can take a selling entry. Expect 21,250, 240 as the first, and 21,200 as the second. Below 21,200, you can expect a greater correction here. The stochastic oversold, MACD trading extremely divergent, extremely bearish, looking downwards. RSI has come out of the overbought zone here, coming to the 4 on the daily chart. See what it has done. It has created a step. It has seen the higher highs and lower lows. Now it is very important for it to trade below 21,250, and below 21,250 this time we can expect it to move towards 21,200, 21,140. And see, too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period always calls for it to converge, and now is the time for the Germany 40 to converge or consolidate at least. See, every rise offset with a retracement, every rise offset, bigger the rise, bigger the retracement has to be. And now it appears that the prices are in fact moving towards 20,700 to 20,500 levels, possibly in the near future. Stochastic dropping here, the MACD trying to converge. It has seen a very good rise, and it is now time for it to take over the hit, and RSI is also overbought. So looking, I'll recommend you to buy only if you see it is staying about 21,360 levels. Expect it to move towards 21,400, 440 and 21,500, and any move beyond 21,400 500 zone is the clear sign of a reversal here, chances for which appears to be less. See, it is trading extremely overbought, and chances for a reversal increases from here. And now if you see it is staying below 21 260 you can take a selling entry here, expect it to move towards 21 200, 21 140 and 21 100 levels. Below 21 100 stay short for 21,000. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to UK. Now see, UK 100 is also trying to trade with bearishness here. Only buying entry now is above 8500 and 8540. This is the zone which is going to provide extreme resistance here for UK 100. Remember, after staying at the top, it has taken a dip, it is retracing, and now possibility of a dip again exists. See, also remember there is a gap down left here towards 8420 8430 zone. It may try to fill this gap possibly soon, and any drop below this should take it towards 8350 and lower levels. Stochastic overbought. MACD has hit a bottom on the hourly charts, which calls for a little recovery here. The RSI is also oversold, trying to recover. Coming to the 2-hour chart, see, after forming a base, it is trying to bounce back. I will just wait for it to stay above 8485 8500 zone, and then we can expect 8520 8540 as the next target zone. Uh, any move beyond 8540 is a clear sign of reversal, chances for which appears to be less. Stochastic rising, MACD trading bearish, RSI is staying oversold. On the 3-hour charts also, it is showing signs of reversal, but remember, I'll still say you have to be extremely cautious as long as 8500 520 and in fact 540 is not taken on the upside. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading extremely bearish, RSI already at bottom. And on the 4-hour charts, the observation is more or less same, nothing different. Coming to the now see, here on the daily charts, the gap is already filled on the upside. Remember what it has done for the preceding few candles. We have seen a stronger correction here. And now once it trades below 8450, I think we are looking forward to a move towards 8420, 8400 and then 8380 levels. Below 8380, this time the correction is going to be very, very sharp towards 800, 8320 levels. Stochastic oversold. MACD trying to converge crossover, RSI coming out of the overbought zone. So looking at this, yes, I will recommend you to buy. If you see it is staying above 8500 only, expect 8520, 8540, and if it stays 8540, one can stay bullish as chances for a drop increases here, and thus I will recommend you to sell here at 8460, 8450 levels. Expect it to move towards 8420, and below 8420 you can expect 8400, 8360 and 8320 levels. The next target, see if it can rise sharp, it can drop sharp as well. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it.